Reignite your spark. Oh, reignite your spark. Oh, keep moving forward, keep believing in yourself. You got this, stay true to you, don't care what.
So peaceful here.
Is there a rattlesnake here? Okay, I can film this? You can tell me? Hi, Keisha. Hi.
So when you see prickly pear, it's these little fruits on the cacti that they're harvesting and juicing to make the prickly pear.
I've never heard of prickly pear. So you can make, what, tea out of these things?
These purple things.
Or what does it taste
Like
like?
juice, like a sweet,
What does it taste like?
like a sweet juice. Like they make prickly pear margaritas. Prickly pear
Really?
juices.
Oh, I never heard of this before.
Yeah, and that's what.
I would feel like I was a protector, and I would feel like that tree was protecting me. It was like my safe space. And my grandmother would come out and she would scream, "Tamberly!" And I would be up way at the top of the tree, like giggling, you know, and wondering. I always wondered for all these years if she ever knew I was there. And when she was like 98, I asked her if she ever knew that I was up in that tree. She's like, "No." Well,
I'm telling you, you can teach yourself to start saying things like, well, what if it does work out?
Right.
I know I'm scared that it's not going to, but what if it does? Because here's the thing. Do you actually know if things are going to work out?
No.
Great. So if you're going to actually presume the negative, then you actually owe it to yourself to also presume the positive.